Hello everybody! We would like to introduce to you the Eskute bike Spark X series. We're about to show you how to assemble this bike step by step. Very simple and very easy. Let's start from removing all the protective materials over here, okay? You grab the scissors. After you unboxed it, make sure all the components are present. You can also check out the box to be sure. It's all written there. Now first, let's attach the fender to the sides. You need to unscrew the knob over here and connect the fender and screw it in. Do the same on the other side. Unscrew the bolt and screw it back. Now we're going to attach the fender with the headlight and screw the nut and screw the bolt in. Make sure it's firm and steady. When you've done with the wheels, you flip the bike over, and now let's deal with steering wheel, okay? Let's unscrew this thing over here. Now we attach a display to the stand. Slowly unscrew right here. Just loosen up a little. Just enough for it to be able to fit. Make sure it's firm and steady and start screwing them back in. Now take off the protector and put the bolt back. Screw it inside. And now put the protector back. Now we need to connect the steering bar to the display. First, let's get rid of the top over here by unscrewing the bolts. Now let's attach the wheel bar to the display. Make sure it's in the middle, right here. You can start screwing back the bolts. You can adjust the steering bar to your liking. Just pick the proper position and tighten the nuts. Now we're about to assemble the front wheel. If you are all by yourself, you can flip the bike over, that would be easier. Or if you have a friend, you can ask for help. Now first, we need to remove the protective caps from the wheel. Unscrew the nuts to remove the protector. Now we are ready to attach the wheel. So here we have a disc brake. Make sure it's aligned with the catapults over here. Now start unscrewing the knobs here in order for it to fit inside the gap. It should fit right in. Now let's tighten up the knobs using the wrench. Make sure it's tight enough. Do the same from the other side. You can adjust your saddle, whatever you like. Just make sure you don't go below the safety line. To adjust the saddle, just easily press. Now we can start attaching the pedals, starting with the right one. Screw clockwise. Do the same with the left one, only you need to screw counterclockwise. Now we can attach the wires. Make sure they match. Now let's see if the system's working. Turn on the battery over here, press the button. Press the on button on your wheel bar. By pressing the arrows, you choose the pedal modes from 1 to 5. Press the power button once to turn on the lights. After you've assembled the bike, make sure everything is firm and steady. Check out the brakes. Check out the fender. We use the keys to open a battery slot. Put the keys inside. Move it to open. Now turn the knob upwards. Remove the battery. To put it back, you can just lock. The battery is removable, which means you can charge it inside the bike or on the go. Thank you for your attention, guys. Hopefully it was useful. One more thing to mention, keep the box for warranty issues, always drive safe, and don't forget to wear a helmet.